Welcome to today's 24-hour global financial update. Today's focus: the European Central Bank holds rates steady, US-EU trade tensions escalate. Trump visits the Fed to push for rate cuts, and US stocks remain bullish. The European Central Bank announced it would keep interest rates unchanged. President Christine Lagarde stated that inflation is currently stable at 2%, but the future remains uncertain and requires continued observation. Meanwhile, EU member states approved a countermeasure list against US goods. If negotiations fail before August 7th, the measures will take effect automatically. The US labor market continues to show resilience. Initial jobless claims have declined for 6 consecutive weeks, and the services PMI exceeded expectations, indicating ongoing economic momentum. US President Donald Trump personally visited the Federal Reserve headquarters and directly urged Chairman Jerome Powell to cut interest rates. He also criticized the costly renovation of the Fed building, raising concerns about the Fed's independence. JP Morgan stated that US stocks still have significant upside potential. Despite rising concerns over asset bubbles, bullish sentiment remains strong, supported by technical indicators and economic data. Now to the market movements. The 3 major US stock indexes were mixed. The Dow slightly declined. The Standard & Poor's edged up. The Nasdaq continued to rise. Japanese stocks hit a new closing high. Alphabet's strong earnings pushed its stock up 1%. Nvidia rose 1.7%. The US dollar index rebounded. Gold tested the $3,360 support again. Oil prices bounced back. Bitcoin dipped slightly, and Ethereum rose over 2%. Key events to watch today. Markets are hopeful that the US and EU will reach an agreement soon. The VIX Fear Index hit a 5-month low. However, the upcoming Fed rate decision, the August 1st tariff deadline, and next week's PCE inflation and GDP data could be key turning points. Investors are advised to remain cautious. Thank you for watching today's market news. If our information is helpful to you, please hit the like button and follow